Two-player pure strategy normal form game. There are two cars at a crossroad junction on a Monday night at 11 p.m., both situated perpendicular to each other. Both drivers do not know that the traffic lights are broken until arrival because there is no signage showing temporary malfunction. The protocol for both car drivers is to therefore proceed with caution, but no one has right of way over the other. They are faced with the decision of either going before the other driver or remaining stationary and waiting for the other driver to proceed first. If both drivers go at the same time, it will result in an accident. Rules. There are no road signs prior to the drivers arriving at perpendicular directions. Both drivers are driving home and both have the same eagerness to get there. There are no other people /witnesses /cars around at this time. Just the two drivers. All players are rational, have perfect information and make decisions simultaneously. We create a payoff matrix to establish each player's actions and utility payoff received depending on what option they decide to take. Whether to go or stay. Each cell signifies the utility payoff of each player. The first digit relates to driver 1 and the second digit relates to driver 2. This game is very similar to that of the prisoner dilemmas. If both go, then they will crash. If one goes and the other stays, then the one that goes is happy as he will be making his way home and the other will not be so happy as he is still waiting. If both don't go, they both receive utility of 1 since they are not doing anything wrong, nor is their car going to be damaged. To answer this game, we first need to work out the pure strategy Nash equilibrium that is apparent in this dominant strategy game. Since both players are rational and will always look out for their own best interest, the Nash equilibrium will inevitably be the bottom right cell as stay. This is because this is each driver's best response to the others, and there is no other scenario in this game where one player can be better by making the other player worse off. The eagerness of each driver to get home has a significant impact upon the payoff matrix. This is because if one driver is less eager to get home, they may not mind as much if they were to give the other driver right of way. Subsequently, the payoff, which was once 0, from either driver staying and one going, may increase. Thus, perhaps affecting the Nash equilibria in this game. The fact that there are no road signs prior to arriving at malfunctioning lights means both drivers are forced to deal with the situation simultaneously. Had they been made aware before, perhaps they would have taken different routes. Therefore, avoiding any potential collision and the whole scenario in the first place,